Good morning, guys, and welcome back. Today's daily reminder is a simple one, guys. Do not spend sleepless nights thinking about the markets, okay? Do not do it to yourself. If you're in a situation where you're not able to sleep at night, where you're constantly thinking about the market and your positions that you have on, and you're not able to sleep, that is a problem, guys. That means you're either over leveraged, you don't have confidence in your trade, and you're putting way too much money at risk, guys. So the one thing I have to tell you right now is do not put yourself in a situation where you're going to have sleepless nights and won't be able to move forward with your trades. So if that is the case, guys, bring it back. Come back down to the basics and settle with the 1 to 2 contracts. Make sure that you are in a situation where you are going to have a sound sleep if you are holding positions overnight. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's make that money.
More money, more money! Ah, all very exciting.